Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping Within. Thanks for stopping by today. It's unboxing time again. Yay! I've got some freebies, got some clearance, but we'll start with the full price things, shall we? Right, I bought a kit. I don't buy a lot of kits, but this one spoke to me. It's the Painted Wishes kit, which has a choking hazard, apparently. I'll try not to choke on it then. Wondering whether I should open it or not. If I just show you, I can't even get it out. Right, we've got some embellishments, we've got some gold thread, we've got some tear and tape. Let's show you what it looks like, shall we? Close up. So, Painted Wishes kit. So that's one. That's 3 of the cards. That's another 3 with the envelopes. And another 3. So there's 9. I'm guessing there's 9 cards in this set then. But it looks really beautiful, doesn't it? Love, love, love. Okay. I bought some blends, 1 or 2. Okay, slightly more than 1 or 2. So much that I need another storage box. A Stampin' Blends storage box. That cardboard will come in for something. I'm sure it will. Get rid of this. Is this recyclable? I don't see any markings to say it is. That's annoying. Stamping up. I bet this plastic bag isn't a number 4 either. Hopefully recyclable. No. Oh dear. So we've got some feet. Put them to one side. Yeah. So it's another one of those. It's going to hold. How many does it hold? 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holds 30 markers. Hopefully, I've got some spaces in my existing one. I'm not sure how many markers I bought, to be honest, but I've got that, and I've got the matching top to go with it. I don't know where it's going to go yet. They're currently in rainbow order. My blends, which I quite like. The ink pads and paper I keep in families in alphabetical order. But anyway, see how that goes. Was that everything I bought? Right, now the clearance thing. Texture Chic, Memories and More. This was in clearance, and I kind of liked it, so I bought it. Where's my knife gone? There it is, on another bit of my desk. I have to find a bag or a box to put these in. So we get some stickers. Nice shinies. 4 sheets of stickers, and then You Make Me Smile, journaling card. I could use these in journaling actually. These are the days. I like that one. Right here, right now. Another journaling card. Oops. And then we have, of course, you have the smaller ones. When we have each other, we have everything. Isn't that sweet? I'm going to have fun with this. Supported by goodness. These are upside down. Some of these are upside, are they? Congratulations. Everything beautiful starts with love. Life's better with you. I love that one. thinking of you. I'm going to send that one to a friend, actually. So I put those up there. Are we in shot? Yes, we're in shot. Get rid of the knife before it stabbed me. More purchases. Then up were the blends. So I went through my existing ones. I removed any that had retired, and there was actually only two, I think. Three colours: Mango Melody, So Saffron, and a purple one which escapes me. So anyway, so the colours were Misty Moonlight. I haven't bought any in colours in the blends because I don't think a 2-year cycle, you know, I've got the ink pads and I've got the markers. That's fine. I don't need the blends as well in those colours. Fresh Freesia. Melon Mambo. Lemon Lime Twist. That looks nothing like the ink pad, you know. That's the marker. Lost Lagoon. This is one of my favourite colours from 2016 when I first joined Stamping Up. Moody Mauve. Lemon Lolly. I've not used that colour yet. It's taken me a little bit of time to get used to it. Azure Afternoon. Bubble Bath, which I've just recently used on a project. Blueberry Bushel. I was trying to read the German. Berry Burst. Pumpkin Pie. I mean, a number of these are the older blends, the older colour blends, which I didn't get at the time. Pretty Peacock. Dark Pecan Pie. Oh, sorry, Pecan Pie, I should say. It's dark and a light, of course, it's a combo. And Pool Party. So I got those. So buying all that got me some freebies, didn't it? And I had to have this Cling Stamp Set Detailed Dogwood. I'm going to have so much fun with this. That fits the punch, doesn't it? And get the punch out. Does it fit the punch? He rips it off. Not really. But I don't know. I mean, if you did tone on tone, it would cut all of it out with this in the middle, wouldn't it? So that's a thought. Good thought, Ian. Oh dear. Right. I don't do anything with the stickers. I'll leave them in for the next person to buy them, to buy this off me. We'll have the stickers to put on it if they want to. Final thing, the final freebie. Most Adored Speciality Designer Series paper. This will be going in its own wallet, its own delivery, but just for the time being. So, where are we? So, how many sheets of each? 2 sheets, so it's going to be 6 designs. It's very pretty, isn't it? Oh, we do like that. I've seen something similar before. The Scan and Cut might even do those, you know. Actually. Oh, very swirly. And some little flowers. Beautiful. Love, love, love. So there we go, everybody. That's the haul. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I've shown you what I've got. I'll see you soon. So whatever you're doing, have a lovely time and take care. Bye-bye.